Hey guys, let's see today how to fix Wi-Fi network disconnects frequently in Windows 11 computer. Yeah guys, whatever you're using computer, your laptop. So guys, it's very simple fix, very easy fix. Just follow one step and your issue will be fixed. So let's get started guys. So to fix this issue, just go to search and type services. Yeah, you can also just go here. Just try to find services. Yeah, just go here. So you just hit on that services and guys, just try to find WLAN auto on the yeah WLAN auto. Just try to find yeah here you go WLAN auto. Just double click on that and guys from here please make sure that it should be selected startup type as automatic. In your case, if it is not there, just go and select automatic and from guys here just hit on start and apply and hit on okay guys. After that, guys, your issue will be 100% your issue will be fixed. Guys, thanks for watching my video. Please do like subscribe my channel. Thank you.